Hi, wanna know how to enable or disable autocorrection on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Additional Settings. Go right in there and here click on this tab which is named Languages and Input. As a next step here we would need to find this tab which is named Spell Checker and open it. And the spell checker by itself is the autocorrection. Let's test it. As you can see, currently the spell checker is enabled, and now if I'll go for example to messages and then here try to enter word hello with some mistakes, after I'll click on the space the word will be automatically corrected. And if you don't like this feature, you can easily disable it by clicking on this slider on the tab spell checker. After this we can try it once more. I'll again try to write the word hello and I written it wrong, but it wasn't corrected. So here's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.